You see a line like that? You're gonna have to get that out of there. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We got a special guest here today, my son. He's going to be rapping his first ever piece, right? Tell him how old you are.
10.
10 years old. Already getting ready to rap a vehicle, man. So, yeah, this should be an awesome video. You want to tell them your, what's your channel?
Safari Junior Custom Cars.
Safari Junior Custom Cars, man. Y'all go over there and give them a subscribe. But anyways, we're going to get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low, yeah. I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, got the intro out the way. This is a scrap piece. I hope that ain't got a hole in it. But anyways, we're gonna heat it up. Make sure that ain't a hole, because we got another scrap piece right there. And I'm gonna let my son lay this. You got your squeegee ready? That might be a... Nah, it's good. You don't need the squeegee yet. You're gonna have to lay this first. Alright. Here you go, dude. So, I'm gonna help you a little bit, but you doing this. So, what you gonna do, go all the way over. All the way over. Look. All the way over there. Look, in that corner. You see where that tape is? So you want to cover that.
First.
Right. Or we'll just do this area. Alright, pull right there. Somebody come on this side. So you can see what he's doing. So look. Alright, look. Lock your top part. No, the top. Alright, look. Can you see somewhere? Okay, look. Now, look. Pull it up. Alright, get your squeegee out. Ready?
Which side? This side?
Yeah, you're gonna use the soft side. So I'm gonna help. Where's this spray at? Hold on. You need to spray it a little bit. Here, let me see your squeegee. Alright. That'll just keep it from scratching. Alright. Now you're gonna use this side of it. Alright. We're gonna heat it up and you're gonna lay it down.
Okay.
You ready? Here, go ahead and heat it a little bit. Alright, that's it. Hello? Alright, come on. Look at your lines. Look, hold it like that. Make sure there ain't no lines. Right. Now, when you see a line like that, you're gonna have to get that out of there. See? Push it down. No. Put with your squeegee. Samara, you wanna get on this side over here? Or can you see? Are you looking at what it's doing? Brother, look, if it's got a bubble like that, look, you gotta pull it up, dude. No. Come up. Okay, look. All of that part is good, right? So this part's messed up. So we're gonna heat it up. When I say push down on it, you push down on it. Don't worry about that back part. We're not gonna use that. Alright, get your squeegee. Start pushing down. Slowly. Get all your lines out. Look, you just left a big old line. Hold on. Nope, you're gonna have to heat it again. That line ain't gonna come out like that. You're not holding your squeegee right. Look, let me show you. Look. See, you gotta hold it at an angle. Keep going. Keep pushing down. Push hard. If you see a line, stop. You good? Hold on. Go back and get that bubble. No. You good? Right there. Here. You doing this. Hold on. Alright, you to the line. So we're gonna push it down real good. And get a good line right there. Use the wet side. You see? Just do both of them. I don't know which way you flipping it. Alright. We're gonna heat. Look, hold on. We're gonna heat it right here. And come down and get you a good line. Push down, straight down. Straight down. Straight down. Straight down. Make sure you ain't leaving nothing. Use it like a squeegee. Straight down. Straight down. There you go. And you can use your hands too. To make sure. See? Over there. Don't worry about that part. But, no. Don't worry about that part either. This whole square needs to be good. So, you're gonna have to, no. Whenever it gets kinked like that, you can't just push over it, cause it ain't gonna do right. So what we could do, there we go. Let me see your squeegee. Alright. Good job. Alright, we're gonna heat it up one more time. Go over it like I just did. It should be good. Alright, go over it, brother. Make sure all the air out, all the bubbles. See, you hear that? I mean, you got something new out. And you gotta push like a man. Get that edge real quick, right in there. Nope, don't never do it like a pencil. Push like that. See? Alright, you good. So what we'll do now, guys, we need to cut and come down. I think that's gonna show. I think. That's gonna need to come down. Well, we can put something right there. nuts. See that? Alright guys, we're gonna have to pause. Somebody calling me. Right there. Alright, let's pause. Alright guys. So right now we're getting ready to pull this knifeless tape. We'll see if we get a good seam right here. Y'all see that? That was pretty quick, wasn't it? Yep. So guys, we are not worried about cutting this area because you'll never see it. You'll never see it. So we're gonna have to trim a little bit in here. Well, I think you can see that.
The black thing in here.
No, it's not all the way to the edge though. I don't think it was. So we might have to straighten that out, guys. But this part, you'll never see. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Let me see your squeegee, bro. Alright, brother. Well, you did most of the work, so. Came out pretty good. Alright guys, y'all see, so came out pretty good. Good job, brother. Y'all give him a round of applause, man. Y'all give him a round of applause right there, man. Alright guys, that'll be the end of this video. I'm gonna try to get the rest of this bumper and stuff knocked out. And yep, we'll start another video, man. The grind does not stop. We'll see y'all in the next video.
Peace.